Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Google Chrome error. As you can see, some things come undone. So whenever I'm trying to open any website on my browser, so this type of irritating error I am facing. So finally I have got this solution to fix this error. So follow this video till end very carefully. First, what you need to do guys, so if you are facing this error only when you opening any particular website, so it means the problem is from the website. So the website server is down. In case if you are opening another website on your browser, at that time still you are facing same kind of error guys, now you can follow another method. So another method is this guys, just you need to close your Google Chrome browser. After closing, you need to reopen your browser. Okay, after this guys, now you need to clear the cookies of your Google Chrome browser. To clear this guys, on the top right side you can see three dots, just click on it. From here you need to open the history. Okay, in the history guys, you can easily clear that cookies. So just click on clear browsing data. From here you need to select time range all time, and here guys, if you don't want to clear your browsing history, just uncheck this, and you need to clear the cookies and other site data compulsory. Okay, after this guys, just click on clear data. After doing this guys, now you need to restart your Google Chrome browser once again. After restarting, now open any website on your Google Chrome browser. Let's see if your problem was solved or not. Still you are facing same type of error guys, you can follow next method. Next method is this guys, now you need to update your Google Chrome browser. To update guys, once again you need to click on three dots, go to help. From here you can get option about Google Chrome, just click on it. From here you can easily update your Google Chrome browser. So after updating, now check your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of error guys, now you need to reset your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so just click on three dots, go to settings, and in the left panel you can get the option advanced. Just click on it, just scroll down. Here you can get the option reset and clean up. From here you can easily able to reset your Google Chrome browser. After resetting guys, now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the different methods to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.